Upgrade your thermostat without guessing. Make sure wiring, system type, and configuration match so you get full functionality and avoid costly service calls. If your newly installed thermostat shows limited functions or does not control your heating and cooling correctly, first turn off power at the breaker and remove the cover to verify each wire is on the correct terminal. Match wire colors to terminal labels and trace the common wire back to the air handler to confirm its presence. If you lack a common, add a common using a power extender kit or install a separate 24-volt transformer per manufacturer guidance. Next, check and set dip switches or on-unit configuration menus to the correct system type. Select gas, oil, electric, or heat pump and specify single-stage or multi-stage operation exactly as the equipment requires. Misset jumpers commonly disable compressor control or auxiliary heat. Use a multimeter to confirm thermostat is receiving 24 volts and that the call for heat or cool closes the correct circuit at the stat and at the air handler. This isolates wiring versus control board problems. For heat pump systems, ensure the changeover valve lead, often labeled O or B, is assigned correctly and that the thermostat's changeover is matched to the outdoor unit's manufacturer preference, so reversing valve operation is not reversed. When adaptive features such as two-stage compressor control or demand response are missing, verify the thermostat model actually supports those features and that feature toggles in advanced setup are enabled. If not supported, replace with a model that explicitly lists those capabilities. If you experience persistent fan or short cycling issues, enable configured cycle rate limits and minimum runtimes in the thermostat's installer options to protect equipment and confirm the fan control setting, auto versus on matches, your system's fan relay wiring. Keep the unit's firmware up to date where applicable. Download updates from the manufacturer using the model number and follow their upgrade steps to restore advanced scheduling and remote diagnostics. Finally, document every change you make with photos and notes so a technician can pick up where you left off if professional help is needed. One of the biggest problems is incorrect wiring labeled as common wire issues, causing limited power or loss of Wi-Fi. Fix by locating the actual common at the air handler using a power extender kit, or installing a dedicated 24-volt transformer and retesting voltage. Another frequent error is wrong system type selected, leading to no heat or reversed cooling, resolved by setting dip switches or menu options to the correct system, gas, oil, electric, or heat pump, and verifying changeover valve assignment. The third common issue is buying a thermostat without needed features like multi-stage control or heat pump support, which requires replacing the thermostat with a model that lists the exact features and compatibility or contacting the manufacturer for firmware. Feature updates. BigHomeProjects.com is a website directory that helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who understand thermostat compatibility and proper installation. It also helps contractors get work by connecting them with nearby homeowners searching for skilled HVAC installers and thermostat experts.